Hi, I'm Jade Bolden. In this video, we will talk about the doTERRA 30 Days Cleanse and Restore Challenge. What is the 30-day Cleanse and Restore Challenge? It's a very powerful, thorough detoxing system using high-quality or natural whole food supplements, herbs, omega oils, essential oils, and enzymes to activate, reset, and renew the whole body inside and out for 30 days. There's nothing like it that I've ever seen, and I've been doing this for over 13 years. I've helped so many people cleanse their body and heal themselves. It's so much more effective and healthier than the 3-day lemon juice cleanse or the apple cider vinegar cleanse or any other cleanse for that matter. Why should we do the 30-day cleanse and restore challenge? Well, think of your body as a house. If you don't clean your house for a while, it becomes messy and smelly, right? You don't feel good living in there and you are uncomfortable. Like a house, if we don't clean our body over time, we'll have things rotting, crusting, and building up in there. There's a lot of toxic load in our organs and bloodstream, and physically, we don't feel good, and increasingly, we'll feel uncomfortable. In our modern world, even if we're super vigilant to eat super clean, we're still exposed to things. We need to live, right? And sometimes we go out and we go to parties and eat some things that we shouldn't. Okay, or we've been given medications and stuff for other issues. Sometimes our products are not 100% green, so we might have some toxins in our personal care products, our cleaning products, in our drinks. The candles and the air fresheners, those have lots of toxins that are stored inside our body. Over time, they become very dangerous. We might have toxins in our skincare products or our makeup. We have a lot of invasions from bacteria, bad bacteria, fungus, parasites, you name it. Okay, there's things that build up and come in there, make room in there that we really need to clean out. So really, why we're doing this is we actually need to cleanse out the filtering organs so that they can function optimally. Our filters are the kidneys, the liver, colon, lungs, and skin, and the lymphatic system. Sometimes there's so much toxins that our skin is trying to push out all the toxins, out of us besides eliminating it through pooing and peeing. Okay, we ideally can eliminate that way, but sometimes it's just too much and it's going through other avenues, through our sinus, through our skin. So what are the signs that we really need a cleanse? Well, the first one is smelly odors. It's bad breath in the morning. You can smell the rot, right? And just smelly BO. We're tired and sluggish. We don't feel energized. We want to get more excited and motivated to do things, but we're really not. We have aches and stiffness, so that's lots of inflammation. We're irritable. We're impatient and annoyed and frustrated and easily angered or hurt or offended and just lack empathy. We may have skin issues. Your skin is dull. Maybe they call it eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, and we might have acne and it might not be bright and glowing and clear skin. All right, even the whites of our eyes, it's duller now. It's not as white. We might experience brain fog. You might have attention issues. You can't stay focused. You don't remember what you'd read just now or why you came into this room. You have insomnia. You can't fall asleep, or you can't stay asleep, or you don't sleep enough, or that sleep isn't very satisfying. Okay, even if you slept a long time, you wake up and you still feel so tired. You experience sickness. Are you currently unwell or you are easily catching things? Okay, you're just nervous about being exposed to everything. Sometimes people say, well, it's not the perfect time to detox and cleanse. I just need to wait until I get better. But you know what? It's maybe the bugs that are inside of us that need to be cleansed out is what is making us sick. Okay, so you won't get better until you clean it out. right? It might be the overgrowth of fungus, parasites, bad bacteria, viruses, and all the toxic load all together that's causing all that autoimmune problem that we have. I am a strong believer that we can heal from our autoimmune issues. Those problems don't just spontaneously happen. We developed it over time. Allergies is another sign. When you have a lot of allergies, we have bags under our eyes, we always have sinus issues or clogged up, you're allergic to dust and pollen, pets, foods, etc. All those are signs. I used to have so many, 32 allergies. And, cleansing it all out liberated me. I can go places, eat things without worrying. Digestive issues. We might feel bloaty and gassy and indigestion. You've got irritable bowels, your gut is rotting, and there's all sorts of names that people give to that. Those things might cause diarrhea or constipation or just bad tummy problems. Okay, we can cleanse it out. And once we clean it out and your body's healthier, those disease names, it might disappear because you no longer have those groups of symptoms. Respiratory issues is another sign. You might have too much mucus production, sinus issues. Did you know the health of our teeth correlate to the state of the health of our organs? Okay, so as you cleanse, your teeth and gums will look healthier as well. What if your body is, ridiculously craving sugars and carbs? Okay, that might be a sign of an overgrowth of Candida fungus. Those are signs that we need to cleanse. And now, I didn't even mention on this list here about weight. A lot of people want to lose weight, but when you have healthier organs, your body is going to lose weight naturally. You'll digest food better, you'll absorb food better, you'll want to eat less. Your body will produce the bile acids that break down the fats and proteins better for digestion. It's just going to function much better. Okay, so all those are just a natural consequence of a cleaner body. Okay, you'll have more mental clarity, all sorts of things. You'll have better balanced appetite. Okay, you know when you're full, know when you're hungry. All those and more are signs that we need to cleanse. Now, another sign is the fungus, Candida fungus. We don't need it to be a huge problem where it's visible on your tongue or on your toes or private areas, your armpits, to be alarmed enough to cleanse. We can actually catch it earlier. You can do a spit test. So what you do is have a glass of water next to your bedside. You spit in that glass in the morning, the very first spit, okay, before you drink, before you eat. That spit might look like it's a jellyfish, it's got legs, or it can be suspended in the clouds in the middle, and it can be a blob of yuckiness on the bottom. Okay, those are different signs. I've had friends that paid thousands of dollars to be tested to know they've got this fungus. Then what? Another medication? No, it's like if you have a messy kitchen, you can't cover it with a blanket and ignore it. The rot, the mess is still there. You have to put in the effort to clean. Same thing with you. So what if we have this diagnosis? We still need to cleanse it out. So let's do that. All right, so remember that wheat and sugar feeds the fungus. So we don't want to do that anymore. The mature Candida fungus, it grows a tail, like you see in the picture there, and then it starts to travel to different parts of your body. And your body's very smart, and it will seek after those mature Candida fungus, okay? It will keep on searching and breaking down your tissues to attack it. So this is a moving, changing target. So you might feel pain here, you might feel pain there, you might feel pain nearly everywhere in your body, okay? Because it might have spread everywhere as well. But once it's cleaned out, then your body doesn't have to stage so many attacks. Our body is not stupid. It's not attacking itself for no reason. When all that inflammation goes down, guess what? That means reduced pain or no pain for you. Try that. Do the spit test in the morning. Put a glass of water next to your bedside, and then remember to spit in it, and you'll see. Let's talk about disease. Love this quote from Dr. Bernard Jensen. We don't catch disease, we create them by breaking down natural defenses according to the way we eat, drink, think, and live. Isn't that true? We need to change the way we eat, drink, think, and live. Let's starting with a cleanse. Everything we do is on a cellular level. Just know that your body knows how to heal. It is so smart. And that sickness is a cellular miscommunication problem. Cleansing our body is one way we help the cells in our body start to communicate again. There's other ways, there's exercise, there's chiropractic, there's other ways to connect those cells as well. But this is one way that you can help yourself heal. What we're trying to do with these products is to cleanse the cells, feed the cells, and protect the cells. And one thing you want to know about the essential oils is that it is so small in molecular size that it can pass through cell membranes and into the cell nucleus to do the work that it needs to do to trigger cell death or cell rejuvenation, self-healing. There's not a lot of things out there that are that small in molecular size that can go in and do that job. So yay, lucky us. We have these amazing high quality products that can do that within a very short period of time. And know this, give yourself 2 months of healing for every year that you've been sick. So don't expect this one cleanse to heal you from everything. You might heal a lot and you might feel great and you think, I'm good. And then 3 or 4 months later, you do this again, you might find, whoa, I'm so much better, even better than last time. How? I didn't even know this new level existed. Okay, that's what's going to happen. Just be patient with yourself. Know that your body can heal. So what should you buy? If you have a doTERRA wholesale account, buy these things. There's 10 products. Didier Prime Soft Gels, GX Assist, PB Restore, Zendocrine Complex, Zendocrine Soft Gels, Lemon Oil, and the Lifelong Vitality Pack, which is the Z Omega, Alpha CRS, and Microplex VMZ, and 2 Terrazyme. For countries like Australia, where you don't have the GX Assist, PB Restore, Zendocrine Complex, Zendocrine Soft Gels yet, you can buy those on the US site. If you want to, you can make your own Zendocrine soft gels with a Zendocrine oil and empty veggie caps. Alternatively, you can swap out the Lifelong Vitality Pack for the VMG and the E Omega. So less pills to take, but still same great results. It's always nice to have support while you're doing something like this. So we have our Facebook group, the Cleanse and Restore Support. Okay, you can go there and join our group. You can ask your questions and share your experiences. You can go to my website and go to jadebolden.com/cleanse and read about the cleanse. You can also join my daily email list on there. I'll email you every day of the cleanse to support you. You're not alone. We can do this together. Well, that's it for this video. In the next few videos, I'll talk about what to expect during the cleanse. How do you know that you're getting better? What's really happening on the inside of your body? And how do these products really work? And what are their real benefits? What to eat and not to eat? And other tips and more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.